Hello students, thanks for continue watching my lessons. In this lesson we will discover what is bundled product and how to use it. We are in dashboard and I'm gonna return to our website. Okay. And if you remember, when we created a group product, we practically created some page where we listed a number of separated or standalone products. Let's check this. And here's a page and here's a list of separated product. Ideally we wanted to sell them together, but customer could buy something separately. So they could buy, for example, this jacket and they could ignore the other. Let's try. Okay. And as you could see, no error here, and we just have one product in our basket. So I'm gonna remove it. Okay. And if we are speaking about bundle product, then somehow it's similar to the group product, but customer will need to make some selection from the offered list. And for example, we could offer several jackets for customer, we could offer several pants, this could be different brands, and we could offer, for example, different bottles, or as in our case we will offer different shoes. So let's try to create live examples, so it will be more clear, I guess. I'm gonna return back to our dashboard. Okay, and I'm gonna go to products, catalog, and here as always we will use our lovely button and product. I'm gonna click on drop down selection. Okay, and I'm gonna select bundle product. Okay, and let's create some name. This is gonna be sport bundle. Okay, let's move on. I'm gonna select category. This is gonna be sets. Okay. Let's move on. And here is the most important section. Practically, that's where we are going to create a configuration for a bundle product. So first option is together or separately. In this selection, we will need to determine whether we will send the items to the customer together or separately. So I'm going to leave together. And let's move on to the next option. Practically, that's where we will start configuring. I'm going to click add option. Okay, and first item is gonna be jacket, so I'm gonna type here jacket, and I even will type jackets because we will offer several jackets for customer to select from. And now let's click on the add products to option, and we will select particular models. Okay, I'm gonna use filter and I'm gonna search for jackets. Okay, I'm gonna click apply filter, and let's randomly select several jackets. Okay, and I'm gonna press add selected products. So we are done with jackets. The only thing that we will need to define is quantity. This quantity means how many jackets we are gonna sell to one customer, to one hand. So practically most of the customer will buy just one item. We're not wholesalers in most cases. So I'm gonna type one everywhere. I hope that's clear. Let's move on. The next one is pants. Let's click add option and let's create configuration for pants. Okay. Let's use ready button, for example, so you will see how it will appear. And let's add several pants. Okay, I'm gonna use filter now, and let's type pant apply filter. Let's add 3 different items randomly. Okay, and let's move on. Finally, let's create shoes. Okay, and let's use checkbox here. Products. I'm gonna type shoes here. Okay. Let's define the quantity. So we are gonna sell one piece. We're gonna sell one item. Okay. It seems that's all. Let's try to save it. I forgot to add the picture. Let's add the picture. Okay, picture. Okay, and now I'm gonna click save. Okay, let's return to our sets. And here's our new product. The product that we just recently created, bundle product. And as you could see, it starts from 160 and it could take up to 380. So such a big difference calculated in the following way. It calculated the most cheapest combination and the most expensive combination, and therefore we get two values: 160 as the most cheapest combination of items and 380 is the most expensive one. So let's check this product. Okay, here is what we're practically buying, and here is a button which will allow us to customize the order. I'm gonna click on it, and as you could see, we have a drop-down selection for jacket. For example, I would like to go with canopy, and quantity 1 as we define it while we configure the product. And the next one is the pants. We selected radio button, so let's select which pants we would like to buy. For example, I'm gonna go with scissor, and let's select shoes that we want. For example, Nike, and as you could see, we have checkboxes here. So our order total is 207.95, and let's press the button add to cart. Okay, and we have the order here. That's how the bundle product works. So hope it makes sense for you, whether you would like to use a group product or bundle product. They are pretty different, but the main thing that in bundle product you allow customer to make their own configuration according to your predefined scenarios. So thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next lesson.